now. Eh? No protein, no meat, no egg, no nothing. See how you're just looking empty.
What have you done that you're looking for meat inside your food?
What kind of question is that now? Am I a slave?
You're no different from one now.
Okay.
My friend, would you get eat that food and stop disturbing me?
What is going on here?
Hey, Prof.
Thank you, Prof. Oga came here, served me food without putting protein. No meat, no egg, no nothing. Just gave me rice like that.
Yeah.
Am I good?
What's your side of the story?
Sir, there's no side of the story other than that I took my time. I was sweating in the kitchen like a Christmas ghost to prepare this sumptuous meal and serve Queen Annabelle, only for her to be complaining, Nana, no egg, no meat, no nothing inside.
Is this the matter?
It's a yes.